This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We're still at the expo and I'm just going to show you guys. If you order a Model X from Temu, you get this. This is Hyptec HT. It's in sale in Thailand. Will it ever come to Europe? Most likely not, but let me show you. So, yeah, let me check in the front first. Since it's available now. It's public day, so I just have to squeeze myself in there. Wow, it's quite brown interior. Oh, I can feel the massage. Let me see. Yeah. What? The screen is over there. What the heck is this? There's some kind of sound here, but I can't turn it down. Okay, it's in Thai right now. Okay, but the instrument cluster is way over there. Isn't that weird? What the heck, man? I would prefer to have it a little bit closer. Well, okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. I have all the user interface here. Okay, but let me see. If I try to go a little bit further forward, what is this? Oh, you can put stuff there, of course. How do I close the door? How to reach here? Well, I think if I push the brake. Of course. All right, and then yeah, there's lots of options here to adjust. And then here we have, seems like two wireless charging pads. We have a cup holder there. We have center console here with some actually okay space. Headroom here seems to be very good. We can go all the way to the glass roof. We have like 2 fists of headroom. It's massive. Can it open like a Tesla now? Of course it opens all the way. Do you have double glazed window? Yes, of course. Yeah. Okay, I have to check out this. Here, this is what, maybe it's better than Tesla because we have some nice lounge seats here. And then how do I adjust it? I'm not sure, but I feel quite comfy here. Wait, did they copy this straight from Tesla? At least they didn't go for the first gen Model X. Yeah, Model X, the first button thing was quite clumsy and it broke, but this second isn't. Oh, there's some sound effect. There's freaking sound effects when you open and close the door. Let me see, if I open the door now. It has this articulating falcon wing door style like a Model X. So in the most upright position, it becomes really upright. And then if I recline, I can actually recline. Whoa! I can recline really far. I don't know, I'm trying to illustrate to you how laid back this is. It's great, it's some space in the trunk, but if you want the comfort, you can get the comfort. But the height of the seat doesn't seem to be the best. It's not the highest, but you can put the feet on the front there, and then you have one USB-C there. Center console here. Okay, cup holder, but no table here. Wait, okay. A headroom is, of course, plenty here. But what about the middle? Oh, the middle. Oh shit! The middle becomes like this. I'm 173 centimeters and I cannot sit upright. I have to kind of do like this-ish, then it works. But we have Isofix here, and I like this. Oh yeah, Daddy Bjørn approved. Really easy access, and then when you cover it, it's still nice and comfy. And here we have a front. Oh, it's fairly spacious. Well, or actually not that big. Yeah, but at least there's a front. Wow, and the trunk is humongous. Really long, deep trunk. Seems to be subwoofer there, I'm not sure. Space in the side there, and okay, not there. 12-volt outlet there. Yeah, 120 watt fuse, that's around 10 amps only. And then here we can open up. Wow, look at that. When you take out this whole thing here, it becomes quite nice and open. Wow, I bet I could fit maybe at least 8 banana boxes, maybe even 10 in here. Yeah, I bet 10 if you go upright on the seats front there. Okay, then how do you put it back? And close the trunk. It comes like this. In the back, I'm gonna see Hyptec HT. Yeah. Model X from Temu, huh? Do you like it? So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.